From the very first GSM call on the Nokia 1011 to the sleek smartphones of today, one sound has echoed in the pockets of millions around the world. Join us as we explore the evolution of the iconic Nokia tune and the legendary devices that carried it. Our story begins in 1992 with the Nokia 1011, Nokia's first GSM phone. Here, the Nokia tune was born, a simple, monophonic melody inspired by Francisco Tárrega's Grand Vals. It wasn't just a ringtone, it was the sound of a new era in mobile communication. By 1994, with the arrival of the Nokia 2110, technology began to catch up. The Nokia tune made its first leap into polyphonic sound, offering a richer audio experience as mobile phones started to embrace digital music. Fast forward to 1996, and we meet the Nokia 8110. With its distinctive curved design, this phone not only became a style icon but also featured an adapted version of the Nokia tune that resonated with a new generation of users. In 1999, the Nokia 3210 hit the market, quickly becoming a cultural phenomenon. As more and more people began to own mobile phones, the Nokia tune was not just a sound, it was a signature of a new lifestyle. Then came 2000 and the unforgettable Nokia 3310. Renowned for its durability and addictive games, this model cemented the Nokia tune as a timeless auditory logo that brought comfort and familiarity to millions. The early 2000s saw the mobile world diversifying. The Nokia 1100 became the best-selling mobile phone ever, its version of the Nokia tune echoing in countless pockets. At the same time, the Nokia 6600 introduced users to the early smartphone experience with multimedia capabilities that allowed the tune to sound even richer. By 2007, Nokia was leading the charge into the smartphone revolution. The Nokia N95 not only redefined what a mobile device could do but also carried forward the legacy of the Nokia tune, now synonymous with innovation and connectivity. In 2010, the Nokia N8 dazzled with its cutting-edge camera and multimedia features. As the mobile experience became more dynamic, the Nokia tune was reinvented, keeping its classic melody while embracing digital clarity and depth. Two 2011 marked a turning point with the introduction of the Nokia Lumia series. While Nokia embraced the new Windows Phone platform, the Nokia tune made subtle appearances, serving as a bridge between the rich heritage of the past and the innovations of the future. The Nokia Lumia 920, introduced in 2012, epitomized modern smartphone design while paying homage to Nokia's storied past. Its crisp and clear version of the Nokia tune reminded us that even in a digital age, some sounds remain timeless. Today, under HMD Global, Nokia continues to reinvent itself. Modern models like the Nokia 6 and Nokia 8 not only celebrate innovation but also often include Easter eggs or updated renditions of the Nokia tune, connecting today's users with a legacy that spans decades. From a simple monophonic melody on the Nokia 1011 to a digital icon in modern smartphones, the Nokia tune has been the soundtrack to our mobile lives. It's a reminder that while technology may change, the memories and the sounds that accompany them remain forever timeless.